Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel hashtag random information. Answer for every valid question. In the today discussion, let us see final part of our module 2 how to solve type 3 numericals. In the previous video lectures, we have completed type 1 and type 2 numericals of module 2. Let us go to the last type 3 numericals, that is of RLC circuit. Let us go through the question. For the figure shown, find the expression for AC current and the exact value of first current maximum instant of short circuit at which the DC offset current is 0. Okay, the RL circuit is given and this is the time t is equal to 0 where the fault occurs and the voltage is equal to 10 sine. Okay, let us write given, that is voltage is given as 100 sine 100 pi t plus 15 degree and R is equal to 5 ohms, this is ohms, and L is equal to 0.1 Henry. From this we know that XL is equal to omega into L, that is omega is 2 pi f, right, where 2 pi, since frequency we don't know, okay, we know the L value, that is 0.1 Henry. Since omega is equal to 2 pi f, we know the omega. Since compare this equation with V is equal to Vm sine omega t plus 15, where omega is equal to 100 pi. Therefore 2 pi, sorry, we need frequency right now, we need to find frequency, therefore omega divided by 2 pi. This formula implies omega is given in the question as 100 pi divided by 20 pi, we get as 50 hertz. F is equal to, therefore 50 is equal to, after calculating this we get 31.42 ohms. XL as, we need to keep it in ohms, L is converted to Henry is converted to ohms. Now we need to find impedance of this whole circuit is equal to root over R square plus XL whole square. This is equal to R is 5 square plus 31.42 whole square. We get answer as 31.81 ohms. Now accordingly we need to find theta also. Tan inverse of XL by R, tan inverse of what is, and resistance is given as 5 ohms. After calculating we get theta as approximately 81 degree, and from this equation this is alpha, omega t plus alpha, we will get as the given as 15 degree. Now we need to find expression for AC current. First we know the equations, that is for RLC circuit fault analysis, I of t is equal to, we need to write this equation. The current equation is Is of t is equal to Vm by magnitude Z sine omega t plus 5 minus theta minus Vm by magnitude Z sine alpha minus theta into e raised to minus R by L into t. This is equal to, substitute all the values, omega pi plus 15, alpha is 15 and theta is 81 degree, minus 100 divided by 31.812 sine 15.81 multiplied by e raised to 5 by 0.1 into time is not given. Just keep it as small t. Finally, we'll get 3.143 sine 314 t minus 36 plus 2.87 e raised to minus 50 t. Okay, this is the SC current. Is of t is the SC current. And equation and another we need to find as exact value of first current maximum. Since we know that IMM is equal to maximum current is equal to 2 times of Vm by magnitude Z. Okay, for this is for general momentary current, but we need to find first current maximum. For first current maximum, this ISC current is there, right? Is of t current. This first current will be maximum when sine of omega t plus alpha minus theta, this has to be equal to 1. This is the first maximum momentary current. If they ask generally maximum momentary current, you can substitute this, you can write this equation and substitute directly. And t is equal to 0. Therefore, IMM, that is this equation only I am writing, Vm divided by magnitude of Z, this whole things becomes 1 multiplied by 1 minus Vm by magnitude of Z sine, if you put this t in this equation, this becomes 0, and alpha is 15 minus 81 degree. After putting, yes, Vm from this equation, compare this compare this with this voltage equation, we get Vm is equal to 100 volts. And magnitude of Z we calculated 31.81, minus of 100 divided by 31.81 sine of this whole things we get as minus 0.91. This is approximately equal to 6 amps. 6 amps. At final, third point, instant of short circuit current at which the DC offset current will be 0. Okay, I gave the condition in the formula sheet. You can see that formula sheet in the type 1 numericals when I started the numericals of module 2. Now I am taking directly, that is DC offset current will be 0 when alpha minus theta is equal to 0. DC offset current will be maximum when alpha minus theta is equal to pi by 2. From this equation, they asked in the question the instant of short circuit at which DC offset current is 0. This condition satisfies and alpha minus theta is equal to 0. This implies alpha is equal to theta. When alpha is equal to theta, the current will be 0. The DC offset current will be 0. Okay. If they ask what is the maximum DC offset current will be maximum when if they ask maximum current, we need to find this as alpha is equal to this plus or minus 90. After shifting this theta towards there, we'll get both values. Alpha is equal to plus 90 plus theta value is 81 degree. This is equal to 171 degree, and alpha is equal to minus 90 plus 81 is equal to minus 9 degree. If they ask for DC offset current will be maximum, what is the instant of short circuit current, we need to find like this. Yes, this completes module 2 of power system analysis subject. I hope these classes are understood to you. Comment me for any queries and suggestions. If any doubts related to classes, you can join my Telegram study group, link in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.